Have you ever hesitated in the face of important decisions? Or are you troubled by self-doubt in the face of challenges? Self-doubt is like an obstacle on the road of life, which often stagnates us. However, true confidence and courage are not innate, but achieved through deep inner understanding and acceptance. So, how can we find the light in this dark cloud and regain confidence and courage? Self-doubt often makes us feel difficult in the face of challenges. True confidence and courage come from a deep understanding and acceptance of one's own heart. When we realize that everyone has a strong light in their hearts and learn to accept their own shortcomings, our courage and confidence will naturally appear. When our hearts reach calm and clarity, self-confidence and courage will follow. Every challenge is an opportunity for us to grow. Through these challenges, we can better understand ourselves and regain the light in our hearts. Self-doubt often makes us feel powerless in the face of challenges, as if the whole world is hindering us from moving forward. This feeling is like a shadow, covering our hearts. However, true self-confidence comes from understanding and accepting your own heart. When we can accept our own strengths and weaknesses and find our own strength in every challenge, our self-confidence becomes indestructible. When we can look at ourselves clearly and accept all imperfections, confidence and courage will naturally appear. Every challenge is an opportunity for us to re-understand ourselves. Through these challenges, we can find true self-confidence and inner strength. When facing self-doubt, we often feel anxious and helpless, as if we are trapped in an inescapable darkness. Real courage is not the gift of the outside world, but the power of the heart. When we can understand ourselves deeply and accept everything about ourselves, including past mistakes and shortcomings, our courage will naturally appear. Real wisdom lies in understanding and accepting yourself. When we can do this, confidence and courage will follow. In the process of breaking through self-doubt, we need to maintain compassion and understanding for ourselves, so that we can achieve real self-breakthrough and growth. Self-doubt often makes us confused and anxious when facing challenges. This emotion is like a fog that makes us unable to see the road ahead. The key to overcoming these glooms lies in understanding and accepting the heart. Everyone has their own unique values and potential. Understanding and accepting these qualities is the foundation for building self-confidence and courage. When our hearts reach peace, self-doubt will disappear, and true confidence and courage will follow. Every challenge and difficulty is part of our self-realization. Through these experiences, we can understand ourselves more deeply and find true confidence and strength. When facing self-doubt, we often feel helpless and anxious. This feeling is like a tunnel in the dark, so that we can't see the light ahead. The way to regain courage is to deeply understand your heart. Everyone has their own unique light and strength. Understanding and accepting these qualities is the key to overcoming self-doubt. Real wisdom lies in understanding and accepting yourself. When we can do this, courage and confidence will follow. On this road to regaining courage, we need to maintain compassion and understanding for ourselves, so that we can achieve a real self-breakthrough.